Hello and welcome to another beginner woodworking class. This is an easy project you can complete in a little over an hour with minimal tools and materials. If you're a maker like me, you might need a place to store all your thread spools. Sure, you could buy one at the store that will probably fall apart in about a year, or you can make your own, custom to your space and needs. Plus, once you've built one, you can build another and another as your thread collection gets out of hand. I won't tell anyone.
Aww.
Bonus, if you don't have thread, but would like to hang washi tape or ribbon or heck, even electrical tape or keys, this project can be adapted to suit your needs. I'm SoCal Wood Gal, and I'm a creator in sunny Los Angeles. I've been building and crafting wooden objects large and small for over a decade, and I am obsessed with passing on my love of carpentry through accessible, fun, and engaging classes that will help you tackle whatever project you dream of. I've been featured in Family Handyman for my one-woman kitchen remodel, and I've been teaching on Skillshare since 2019. I hope you'll join me on a journey of empowerment and skill building as we create what we've imagined, project by project. In this Basics of Woodworking class, we'll create a spool holder from start to finish. We'll cover an overview of spool holders, design, materials and supplies needed, making our cuts, assembly, finishing, and then final thoughts. This class is aimed at students with zero understanding of woodworking. Access and experience using tools is always helpful, but it's not required. Some basic tools are necessary: strong scissors or wire cutters, measuring tape, sandpaper, paintbrush, paint, optional, handsaw or flush cut saw, drill bits, 3/16, 1364, and 332, angle square, brad nailer, also optional, clamps with 25-inch reach or more or strong rope, glue, and 1 1/4 inch screws.